Hello student, let's start another problem. Build a 3D CAD model as shown in figure. You can see this is the model is there. So in this model we have to draw the sketching on the three plane. Okay, one is top plane, second is the right plane and left plane. So let's start with the top plane. The drawing is that here is this is 40 mm distance up to this center 20 plus this is 16 and there is a two circles of radius 20 and holes are 16 mm. So let's make the solid 5. Create sketch, select this plane, view normal to sketch plane. Now here I will draw the symmetric diagram so that it will be easy for us the remaining things. So what is the dimension? So this dimension is 40 and this dimension is 20 plus 6, that is 80. And you can see this should be at the center, so we will say 20, and here we are going to draw the circle of diameter 20 and circle another circle of diameter 16 to give the dimension to this. So this is 40, the dimension is 16. Now this dimension don't need it, this is not needed. Now trim the remove the unwanted edges, trim it. So this is not required, this is not required, done. So if you check extrude it, we have to provide the thickness is 12 mm. Okay, so next is we are going to draw the sketch on this plane, and it is okay, it is this distance. Okay, from this it is 20, so let's extrude it, say symmetric, and distance is 12. Select the sketch, this is the sketch. Okay, now select another sketch plane, so this is the sketch we have to draw here. Now next is that let's draw one rectangle. From this the distance was 20, the dimension, so this distance is 20 and this distance is 40. So to draw the circle, another circle, the dimension of this circle is 16 and outside is 14. We will delete this dimension, delete the unwanted, we'll delete it, remove the unwanted edges, trim it. So this is trim, this is trim. Okay, now the dimension is completed. Now we have to do the extrude. So extrude, so here we are going to say start offsetting. Okay, so from this there is 12 mm thickness and 16 mm, so 12 plus 16, so that is 28. So 28 and we have to provide 12 mm, so we want 12 mm. So select this sketch and opposite direction it should be at 28 mm apart. Okay, now this is completed. So we have to do again extrude, select this sketch, its opposite direction, and we have to, it is 12 mm thickness. So this is completed. Now next is that the next sketch is at the bottom side, so we'll select this sketch Select this surface, view normal to sketch plane. Now line, let's draw the rectangle from this to this. Dimensions, see that center, from this center the bottom center distance is 60, okay, and this is 40. So let's draw a circle. This is the, you can say this show, it will show the midpoint 40, and another circle is of 16 diameter. So this is 16, this is 14. So trim the unwanted edges. So I will remove this. So let's trim it. So this is not required. Now this sketch is completed. Let's extrude it. Select this sketch. Now it's showing this direction, so you can make the opposite direction, and its thickness is 12 mm. Done. So in this way this diagram is completed. You can see the isometric view of this diagram. Okay, so it is the similar. Thank you.